Today we're checking out this GKU Dash Cam. I have it installed here in my Lexus. It's hardwired and super easy to install. It was only about 30 minutes and I'm not super good at this stuff anyways. It has a front and a rear camera, and what's cool about this is it's completely hidden and you don't see it when you're driving. It doesn't get in your way, but when you need it, it's right there. It's also got the rear camera that was plugged in, and the wire was super long enough to run and easy to connect and everything. I'll show you what it looks like from the outside here. Again, super sleek. You can barely even tell it's there. It's a super secure mount. But the best part of this camera is definitely the app. It has, as you can see, I can view it live from my phone. Put my hand in front of the camera. It's got a live view on the camera and it's recording the front and the back of the car. Really easy to use app. I can even look at the saved photos and it has all the camera files. It shows location, it shows your speed, it can read license plates. It's super high quality, day and night. Example, you can just play a clip. You can read license plates. You can see where you are. It shows your speed. It shows your everything you're doing. Every car should have a dash cam. It just keeps you safe. There's the same view from the rear. Again, look how easy the app is to navigate. Everything's smooth, and you can download these straight to your camera roll, export them. But yeah, overall, really good camera. It's been really easy to use so far. No issues with the app. The app's super user-friendly. I'd say DIY install, only about 30 minutes. And if you hardwire it, you can even have it recording when your car is parked. It doesn't drain any battery, doesn't have any issues. It's 4K. The Wi-Fi is super fast. It has GPS in it. It's overall a really good dash camera, which is simple to use and helps keep you safe on the road.